So yeah, this is the heating element, and the engine turns on and off time to time by itself with the relay. And I just turn it on so that everything could be cleaned. When you get a machine, you can clean this machine. It's gonna be like very clean. We're gonna use it for this machine for a few years, and just showing you that it turns on and off and it's hot. Okay, and today is June 12th, 2023. So this is the heating element and engine, the motor. You turn it off. This is engine only, the motor only. So everything works perfectly. Okay, and it comes with the 2 pans and this frame that on the wheels, and you can move it. Very sturdy, original, made by gold medal. All right, comes with all these buckets and all these corn treats.